Hey guys, I'm Nick May from The Business Brush. Today we're going to be talking about selling on emotion. So you've had a customer call you and ask you to come out to their house to give them an estimate. And one of the things that you have to understand is that that customer has all sorts of emotions going on around inviting a stranger into their house. So when I was developing our systems for sales, I realized that there are two emotions that our customers would typically be dealing with. That is fear and envy. And they're probably the two most powerful emotions. Now let me explain. So fear. Customers are afraid of a stranger coming into their house. You're going to be going into all their personal spaces in their house, and so that is a very fearful moment for them. They're afraid that you're not going to show up. They're afraid that you're not going to finish. They're afraid that you're not going to finish on time. They're afraid that you may bring people that are not safe to have in their house. So you have to really attack all of those things and really help them get over those fears. And I can't answer those questions for you of how you do it, but you have to figure that out and you have to address that. If you address it, if you bring the elephant into the room and talk about it, then a lot of times that's going to ease their fear. Now, envy is the other emotion that we want to tap into. Now, how we do that is we want customers to understand that we have the ability to make their house look amazing. How do we do that? We actually have a photo book that we showcase a lot of our really great looking projects. We bring that out to every customer and show this to our customers so that they can visually see what we can do in a space. We want them to be envious about the pictures that they see in the book, and we want to help them connect that their house can look that great. And they want their neighbors and their friends that come into their house and be envious of them. So if you can tap into those two emotions in your sales process, then you will find your closing ratio go up. You'll also see the ability to charge more for your projects. So again, raising that value proposition. Hey, thanks for joining me today. Would you do me a favor? Would you give me a comment below? Would you subscribe to our channel? And would you please, would you share this on either Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn? I'm Nick May from The Business Brush. See you next time.